Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Now all these three are directly connected with transportation of coal. Now we don't have any requirement of this coal in Goa. The total requirement of coal that is required by 2030 is 136 million tons per year. Why it is coming to Goa? If it is required in Karnataka or Maharashtra, can't it go? There are 3 ports in Karnataka. In Maharashtra you have Jaigarh. Then why MPT? Because we have come to know, if they bring the coal to MPT and then if they transport it by double track or by road or by the rivers which have been nationalized, they save 48 rupees per ton as freight charges. It is just not 48 rupees per ton. Since the total requirement per year is 136 million tons, it is 136 into 10 lakhs into this 48 rupees. So
मायनिंगा फाटल्यान गोंयकारांक उरिल्लो टुरिजमाचो आधारूय खंय कोळशान काबार जावपाचो. त्या खेरीज दुयेंसां आनी भलायकेचे इशू.
After the mining ban, tourism is the only organized industry which is existing, and almost 4.3 lakhs of Goans are directly and indirectly dependent on the tourism industry. The study by railway shows that when the train is moving at over 100 kilometers per hour, they themselves have said that almost 300 kgs of coal from each wagon flies out over a distance of 600 kilometers. Which tourist will come to Goa? Business will be lost. The hotels, the lodges, all, nobody will come. The taxi drivers, the pilot, motorcycle pilots, everybody will lose business. If we continuously keep breathing coal dust, the immunity will go down.
सरकार सांगता ते प्रमाण डबल ट्रॅक पॅसेंजर ट्रॅफिकाच्या व्यवस्थेक आसत जाल्यार सध्या आसा तो सिंगल ट्रॅक भरपूर पुरो.
The government says that the double tracking of South Western Railway from Vasco is for helping the passengers. It's a big lie because presently total number of trains that pass on this train in 1 week are only 5 to 6 trains. If you want to help the passengers, then put 1 more train or 2 trains or increase the bogies, the compartments. And we have carried out all the study. We have documents through RTI. Everything points towards coal requirement in Karnataka and Maharashtra.
साश्टी मुरगांवचे एका बीजेपीच्या आमदाराचेर कोळशा आड रस्त्यार देवंक आंदोलकांचो प्रेशर. नुवेचे लोक वचून आमदार बाबाशानाक मेळ्ळे. आदी कुट्टाळे आलिना कुंकळे क्लाफासा उपरांत आतां नुव्या बाबाशान.
हांवूय गोंयकारूय मुगेली बायल भुरगीं आमकांय मुखार रावंक जाय. हो लोक एजिटेशन करता सगळ्यांक हांव कोताय. आमगे एकल्यागे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तेजे बारा रावपाची. आनी म्हाका रिटर्न एश्युरन्स दिवपाक कांय ना. 15th सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर येतलो, ते दुसरे मिटींग जातली आनी त्या दोना आपण कोल बंद करता म्हणून. आय थिंक सीएमान स्टेटमेंट दिलें ना, कोण MLA दिताय, मिनिस्टर दिताय, पूण ते दुसरो स्टेटमेंट दितलो आनी कोल बंद करता म्हणून तेणें म्हाका 100% गॅरंटी दिलो.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.